To take that snake game further to show CodeLLM can handle serious projects. Very often we need tools that are reliable and there for us all the time. In coding, there are plenty of cool products, some experimental, some stable and advanced. CodeLLM falls into the latter camp and comes bundled with a ChatLLM subscription. In this video, I'm going to outline the key benefits and core functionality that make CodeLLM a great fit for most coders. It's the combination of price and features. CodeLLM is essentially free to use as part of the ChatLLM $10 a month bundle. You can code with AI across a wide range of LLMs, and the outcomes are consistently predictable. The company behind CodeLLM, Abacus AI, is a Silicon Valley-based innovation brand, so you can have peace of mind you'll be taken care of. Let's not waste time. Let's review this gem in the world of AI coding. CodeLLM. Let's dive deep. What's special about CodeLLM? Well, it's a fully featured IDE with smart autocomplete. You can generate code on the spot with AI. It combines top coding LLMs for better results, and it auto-picks the best models for your request. CodeLLM is built for pros but friendly for newbies. You've got chat mode and agent mode. It's equipped with MCP so the AI can connect to your local environment, read your React files, for example. You can generate code in real time, improve existing code for readability, maintainability, performance with simple prompts, and upload images for context, mockups, bugs, whatever you need to show. The cool part, you don't pay extra. It's part of the $10 ChatLLM plan. You also get video gen, image gen, workflows, deep agent, app LLM, and more as part of this one single subscription. A lot of you already have ChatLLM, which means you already have CodeLLM. Congrats. In my previous videos, I covered a bunch of coding tools with similar features, often even less, because CodeLLM supports the widest range of LLMs. Most competitors often cost more and give you less. In this video, I'll give CodeLLM the same tasks I gave its competitors, and we'll see how it does. Previously, I used CodeLLM to design a simple snake game. That project was a toy project, good for learning and trying an idea. It had low stakes, no data sets, and wasn't meant for real use. But today, I want to take that snake game further to show CodeLLM can handle serious projects. We'll add pause resume on the P key with a clean paused overlay and a proper game loop freeze. Then we'll set up tests and CI/CD. Vitest unit test, GitHub Actions on every push, and GitHub Pages for deploy. I'm using code mode, agent. Here's my prompt. Before I send it, note you can pick any LLM to execute the task. I'm using the native CodeLLM model, which effectively acts as an LLM router. It evaluates task complexity and delegates to the right model. You can leave it on CodeLLM or switch to any other model you prefer. Plenty of options. The agent is analyzing the score integration, planning the work, and updating snake.js. It just finished, so I'll click accept all to apply the changes. You can see the new functionality in the game. Next, let's add pause resume on P with a clean overlay and a proper loop freeze. This is my prompt. I'm giving minimal instructions. The agent figures it out quickly. It updated index.html and hit a few obstacles, then worked through them. Let's accept all changes and test the new functionality. Perfect. Pause resume works and my best score updated. Now for Vitest test, GitHub Actions and auto deploy. Let's start with Vitest. Small automated checks for core game logic, movement, collision, foot spawn. We'll run them locally with npm test. This is my prompt, add Vitest unit test for the snake game's logic. The agent is installing dependencies, no vulnerabilities found. It added 100 packages and audited 152. First test run failed due to a module compatibility issue, so we deleted vitest.config.ts and reran. One of two tests passed. I switched the agent to run automatically and sent a screenshot of the error. The agent updated code that accessed DOM elements, added getter, setter, and module exports and reran the tests. With auto-run enabled, fixes happened faster. Now all tests pass and there are no errors. Final step, push to Git with CI. The agent set up CI/CD for GitHub Pages, created the workflow, added Vite config and updated index.html for module compatibility. It also added meta tags, a README, a deployment guide, an MIT license, and a favicon. After resolving a few build issues, everything works. The agent completed a full setup. We have 11 passing tests, collisions, food spawn, direction, state, and a production Vite build with optimized assets and relative paths. I asked CodeLLM to connect to my GitHub repo and push the code. Success. I'll include the repo link in the comments. One other thing I wanted to show you is this CLI Mode. This is an AI-powered CLI inside VS Code. Here in this upper panel, instead of typing only strict commands in terminal, you can use natural language to ask coding-related things. Let me try to show how it works. Coders may want to use the CLI Mode to speed things up. It helps cut down on boilerplate code, automate repetitive tasks like setup or documentation. Let me try to create a README file. This is my prompt. And before I hit enter, I want to show you how you can switch between models. By clicking tab, you can switch the model. Let's pick CodeLLM, enter, and submit. CodeLLM is processing the request. CodeLLM is working, and the README file is created. That was fast and convenient. CodeLLM has evolved a lot since I last used it. It's more functional and noticeably better at understanding and executing tasks. It's an AI-first code editor that removes the how do I even start friction. It automatically routes each task to the best coding model, gives you tap autocomplete, and lets you ask for changes in plain English. When fixes span multiple files, the agent composer plans and patches across the code base instead of dumping snippets. You can generate code from specs or screenshots, and the built-in ChatLLM panel lets you switch among top models without leaving the IDE. You have three things in one place: chat mode for communicating with AI, code mode for working directly inside your files, and CLI mode, which is more like an AI-powered terminal where you can ask for bigger tasks in plain language. If you want to turn ideas into working features quickly and with minimal friction, CodeLLM is a strong choice. In my opinion, it's the best price to value tool. You pay $10 a month for the entire ChatLLM bundle. You pay $10 for a lot of capability. If you've tried CodeLLM, share your experience in the comments. That's it for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KB out.